According to many, the 10th board exam is supposed to be easy. But in my opinion, it is the hard work of the person which goes into making that exam easy. And UT is an academy which has helped me do that. UT has helped me in time management, and the teachers have helped to clear my concepts quite easily. The peer pressure is quite healthy, and which helps in scoring a better score. Thus, I would like to thank Anubhav sir and the entire faculty of UT.
I want to dedicate my success in the CBSE board exams to UT. Test series was fantastic. The level of the questions, the difficulty level were also helpful for my success in the board exams. Also the correction pattern of the teachers of UT helped me to rectify my mistakes, and thus I could get a good marks in mathematics, and also the textbooks which were very good in revision for the last instance.
UT is an institute that helps a student to systematically classify the knowledge required to do well in the boards. Here, knowledge refers to the way of preparation and organization skills that can be the difference between a good and a better performance. The teachers of UT are very good and also approachable. The tests help to cultivate an atmosphere of competition wherein each student strives to excel. Personally, the biggest plus point for me at UT has been that it has helped me to sail the turbulent seas of time management.
I would like to thank the entire faculty and staff of UT for helping me to realize my potential. UT provided me with excellent guidance and support. The test series helped me in gaining confidence to score well.
The main reason for success in my board examination was universal tutorials. The teachers, their best at this.